Come on, let's go, guys. In this show, we test our systems under the most challenging conditions. How fast can it go? How much can it handle? Get ready. This is Handling Xtreme. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the next episode of Handling Xtreme. In this episode, we are going to talk about pet food, and as usual, we have an expert on board, Berry.
Thank you very much, Mark, for the introduction. Well, there are a lot of things I can tell about pet food. Things we see today very often is that labor is really getting an issue in the pet food business worldwide. It's not the cost of the labor, but it's mainly the availability of labor and the quality of the labor. Another challenge we have today is the humanization of the pet food as we see it. So more things like snacks, for example, like these products, smaller portions in cans, pouches, but also like these boxes with variety packs, because you don't eat every day the same thing, right?
I wouldn't want to.
No.
But that's actually a good bridge for me, because today we don't have only one expert, we have actually a second expert, Tjalling.
Hello, Mark.
Hi. Tjalling is an expert on case packing, so thank you for joining us. So what can you tell us from a perspective of case packing?
And what our manufacturers see who produce pet food is we see the humanization of pet foods. We have here 2 flavors in the box, but they can go up to 4, they can go up to 6. We have small boxes with 10 or 12 products, up to 40 or everything in between. So this asks for a good streamlining of your production process and good agreements with up and downstream suppliers.
Yeah, the interface between our equipment and your equipment.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, it's vital.
Okay, as you know from our program, we always do some challenges. So today we have challenges also. So Berry, what did we prepare?
I prepared something, Mark. We had in mind, we briefly discussed that labor is really getting an issue. So today we are going to test labor versus automation.
Okay, Let's go.
Welcome to our workshop. Over here we are going to do the challenge. We are going to take pouches out of these trays onto this belt towards a virtual case packer. And on the other hand, we have the fully automatic machine where we are going to do the same job, and we're going to see what kind of unloading speed we can get with the manual solution and with the fully automatic solution.
So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start the first challenge. Let's go! We have 2 volunteers to do the first challenge. The lovely Amanda and Bart. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
I see already some small issues here.
Come on guys, come on! All right, I see some products dropping.
They're stacked on top of each other.
They're doing their best, you know, they're really trying.
No doubt.
Okay, next tray. Okay, we are past 1 minute.
No gym for you guys tonight.
I see they're making also 2, sometimes 3 rows, sometimes 2 rows.
3, 2, 1, stop! Stop the challenge. So let's see how many did you get. To make life easy, we have 96 in a tray. Yeah. So you have done 1 complete tray, so that's 96. Yeah. We have 2 left here, so that's 94. So that's 190.
Okay.
But you missed 1, 2, 3. So that's 187. We will do the next challenge now, and now we will add 2 more volunteers. So, we have seen the first test, and the experts have witnessed it. What did you notice?
Tjalling, I can imagine this is not the way we want to have the pouches on the outfeed, right?
No, we would like it a little bit more organized. If we can have 2 rows, it would be a lot better actually.
We've done some preparations, and we have doubled our team. So as many products as possible in 2 minutes. Let's start now. Everybody has a task. Okay, this looks much better. Come on, Amanda.
Well, for sure way better. Or they still got some orientations wrong. There's one going over there. Okay.
Come on, guys, come on.
There's one on the ground, but
I do feel we still will have some rejects prior to the infeed of the downstream equipment.
5, 4, 3,
I don't know.
2, 1, stop! No, outside of the time. Let's count the products. 2 full empty trays, 28. So 96 minus 28, 68, no?
And 2 trays.
And 2 times 98.
Yeah.
So that is 64, 264. Minus 2. So 2 times the amount of people and a system in place. And Tjalling?
I think we will have some rejects prior to the in-feed of the downstream equipment, but it's already a lot better than the first take. So maybe the team can try to brainstorm a little bit and try to find some improvements.
Okay, let's brainstorm a little bit. So we have the belt. Okay, Amanda, you go for the control over here. Thomas and Frans, you guys take the tray. And you have myself and Damian. We just get pouches on the belt, Damian.
No problem.
Everybody okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, third and final attempt. 3, 2, 1, go!
Now they help with a kind of a plan.
Well, guys, I don't want to demotivate you, but it doesn't look too much better. Okay, one tray done. Oh. Come on, guys, come on.
I'm not sure if they're going to meet the required ones of 400, but
See you in a few minutes.
Amanda's motivating them. The quality control is having a hard time to keep up.
3, 2, 1,
So that's,
stop! What do you think yourself?
We did more than before,
But
so
better.
that's good.
So we have 3 trays there, so that's 288.
35 left.
349 packs that we have. Well, I think you should applaud yourself. So, well done, team.
So we have quantity. I'm a little bit concerned about quality. There is still a lot of misalignment, upside down.
And that creates problems for your machine.
It's issues, it creates waste, which nobody wants.
But now we are going to make the comparison with the lawn handling automatic machine. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! So what is it now that is so more important that we saw different?
What you see here at the outfeed, we see continuous spaced products, well aligned.
Products going through the dryer.
Because we work with natural materials like cardboard, it's important that products are dry. And the big difference you see here that the products are every time they are short side leading.
Yeah.
So we don't have the long side leading or the upside down.
3, 2, 1, stop! Wow, I'm very curious now how much the machine did, but that we will see later. But where's Berry?
I haven't seen him for a while, Mark.
Berry, I was looking for you.
Oh, really?
The test is done.
Oh my God, I'm coming with you, Mark.
Come on. Berry, are you back in reality?
Yep, sorry, I'm back again, Mark.
Okay, great, that's good to hear. Well, we are also very interested. What was the outcome of the automatic test?
Well, let's not forget, of course, about the manual test, which had a speed of roughly 350.
Good that you reminded.
Well, with the current automatic machine, we are running over 800 pouches a minute.
Over 800 a minute.
Quite a big difference.
Yes. So what are the key takeaways?
Well, we've seen that the pouches arrive dry, which is of course important since we work with corrugated board. We've seen that they were well organized, that they were short side leading and not flipped or anything strange like we've seen with the manual loading, of course. So process was under control, and this is how we like to see it.
Now, the pouch sizes are relatively small. Is that something typical for pet food, Berry?
Well, good that you mentioned that, Mark. We see nowadays that the portions are getting smaller and the speeds are getting higher.
So that's flexibility in size, but also in speeds then.
And also in flavors. Like we discussed in the beginning of the show, is more and more trend is the variety pack. And to make this variety pack, you have to store your products as a temporary storage. And we also have a full portfolio to help the customer with that. For example, behind you, you see one of our storage stacks. So we store the products in these kind of storage crates. After we've collected all the flavors, we also have the equipment to supply these to the case packing equipment. For example, CAMA.
I see that this is quite a stable stack of trays. Is that important?
Yeah, for sure it's important because these stacks are handled by forklifts or AGVs. So for that it's important that they stay stable because we also need to unload them automatically.
Okay, can we supply those as well?
Yeah, it's all in our portfolio. So and the machine and the storage carriers, we can make a full package.
So Tjalling, thank you for being here today as the expert on case packing.
You're welcome.
And Berry, of course, also a big thank you for you as the expert on pet food.
It was a pleasure being here, Mark.
And thank you for witnessing another episode of Handling Xtreme. And if you have similar questions or challenges, we are always willing to take them on.